here. These are our wood carving artists, and this is our carving department. Thank you everyone, listen please. These are our wood carving artists, and right now they are making different pieces and artists for the museum. And all are handwork, and each piece here will be set up at the museum. And one interesting thing, after the tour everyone can come back again here, and the wood carving artist will teach you how to carve the wood, and they will allow you for carving wood. Okay, everyone, let's start our tour. All our members and this one video, okay. In 1981. So from last 43 years, the wonder will continue to flower. Okay, everyone, and next is the original model of the museum. Thank you, everyone. This is the original model of the museum, which is made entirely from one material wood, and the scale of 1 centimeter here equal to 10 centimeter in the museum. And here in the model area, we demonstrate our artwork piece by piece before conduct the real work in the museum. And our museum is different from other places. Here we didn't use now no steel or concrete. Now we are just using wood technique.